Friends, let's make scintillating, delicious and rejuvenating cold pouring fruit custard with a topped garnished dry fruits in the end. To begin this, we'll take half a liter of cold milk right from the fridge. This is full fat milk. More fat is equal to more creamy custard. Out of this half a liter milk, we'll extract 5 spoons of milk into a separate bowl. And in this extracted milk, we'll add 2 spoons of custard powder. This is the best brand. I love this brand. So we'll add 2 spoons of custard powder in 5 spoons of cold milk. Friends, we've taken cold milk because in cold milk, lumps will not be formed easily. So cold milk is the best to take when you want to mix your custard into it. The rest of the milk, I have added it to a bowl, raised it on a high flame, boiling it. When it boils, we are adding 3 spoons of sugar to it. And as the sugar melts and incorporates into the milk, when the milk is soaring high at a high flame and tries to reach its boiling point, that is when you'll be adding in 1 cardamom, but crush the cardamom and then add it. Cardamom for that amazing aroma. And as the milk comes to a boil, reduce the flame and at a low flame while you stir the ladle, add in the custard mix. When you are pouring in the custard mix, keep stirring the ladle, otherwise it has the tendency of sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cook at a low flame for 3 minutes, keep stirring, and after 3 minutes put off the flame. Your custard is ready. Let this cool down for half an hour at room temperature, and after that put it in the fridge to cool and become chilled. In the meanwhile, come, let's gather some fruits. I have the king of fruits here. Mangoes, delicious ripe ones. And then we have some bananas. Use only ripe fruits for the best results. We have grapes, pineapples, so delicious, yellow, juicy and yummy. And we have here with us fresh apples, finely chopped. On this, I'll bring in on my custard, which is chilled from the fridge, and put it right over here on the fruits. Friends, if you want to consume this custard right now, pineapple is good. Otherwise, exclude the pineapple, because if you want to consume the custard later on by storing it in the fridge, pineapple will make your custard bitter. Alright, come, let's top this with some amazing essence of ruafza. Ruafza, an amazing syrup made out of rose petals and gulkand. Top it up with some dry fruits, as many dry fruits as you have. It is only going to get better and best. Garnish it with some almonds, raisins, cashews, delicious cherry. Friends, thank you so much.